Happy birthday, Chairman sir. Thanks for being an inspiration to me. I would not be where I'm at if not for you and your guidance. Thank you so much.
Hi sir, I am Janani. Wish you many more happy returns of the day, sir. Sir, thank you for this wonderful opportunity. Jesus School was the most memorable place which gave me the platform to enrich my knowledge, my talents and everything. Our multi-talent, our school day and our Christmas program was a very amazing and memorable one. And miss my Jesus School a very lot, sir. And you're such an amazing person. Thank you for all your welfares to us. Once again, wish you a very happiest birthday, sir.
Hi sir, wish you many more happy returns of the day. Sir, you are an inspiration and a very good mentor for us.
All these years, you have been more than a chairman, a friend, a mentor, and a teacher. Thank you for being with us through the 7 years of journey in Jesus School, for helping us, guiding us, and motivating us. Once again, we wish you many more happy returns of the day.
Hi sir, wishing you many more happy returns of the day, and thank you for taking care of me individually in every part of Jesus School. I'm grateful to that, and thank you sir. Happy birthday sir.
Hi sir, Ofi here, wishing you many more happy returns of the day, sir. Jesus School was the best place where everyone was encouraged to show up their talents, and thank you sir, because you were the one who came up with this creative idea. And we had multi-talents food feast which gave so much good memories, and also we gained a lot of knowledge from it. Thank you so much sir, I'm so much grateful to be a part of it. Thank you sir, wishing you many more happy returns of the day, sir.
All, Jashwita here. Merry Christmas to you all and happy birthday, Chairman Sir. Thank you for giving us the best 5 years of middle school life to us, and thank you for giving us such a balanced life where we could enjoy ourselves through school day, food fest and other festives and study at the same time. You helped us build ourselves, develop ourselves, and you made sure that each one of us moved forward in life, and you're one of the important and main reasons for who we are today. And thank you for taking good care of us. Happy birthday. Have a great year. Thank you all. Bye.
Hello everyone, I'm Dadi, student of Jesus School. I'm here to share a few moments with my chairman sir. Nothing is impossible. Nothing is impossible. I think this quote suits the best for my chairman sir. He does what he thinks, and I've never met such an optimist in my life. I've spent a lot of time, a lot of happy times, and I have a lot of sweet memories with my chairman sir and correspondent ma'am. And if I start to speak about those memories, I think my talk will not have an end. One of my most favorite memories is that during 6th grade we had an umbrella day, and it was the first time I experienced a rain dance, and the chairman sir lifted me and I just blasted in happiness, and it was the most lovely time and I enjoyed it a lot. Another moment is that when we go to many tours, we all used to dance in the bus, and it was so nice, and it is an unforgettable memory throughout our life. And I know what makes my chairman sir happy. So one day we all will make our chairman sir proud and our school proud, and that day we all will come to meet you sir. Happy birthday, chairman sir.
Hi sir. Today we are shooting this video as a birthday gift for you, and we are going to share some memorable moments from the time that we spent with you. First one was when we were in 11th grade. So after our 10th board exams were over, we had a long break, and then we came to school, and I think it was multi-talent competition, right? All of a sudden in the morning, our whole class was summoned to Chairman Sir's room. We went there, and Chairman Sir and Sheba ma'am, they were sitting beside each other. Just by looking at their face, I could say that it was some bad news. But I was waiting for them to reveal what it was. And suddenly Sir said in a very serious tone, he said that, I'm really sorry students, I think you can't study with us anymore. And I immediately knew what it was, because we were yet to receive an affiliation for 11th and 12th grade. So I looked at him, I looked at all my friends, and suddenly I started crying. I couldn't control myself. And then looking at me, Yamuna started crying, and Vidusha was so confused. She was looking like, next.
But I had no clue about what he is about to say. Rakshana was crying, Yamuna was about to cry, but I was wondering what he is about to say.
Then we had a very serious conversation, But suddenly, since I started crying a lot, sir started laughing. And then I was so confused. But then he finally said us the truth that we had got the permission and that we can study 11th and 12th grade in the school with our friends. So that was one very memorable experience. And the second one was
When we spent the whole night after the food festival, we had bonfire, we played Antakshari and belly dance from Akshit. And we were chatting, talking with our friends. We had very good food, parota, chicken, and there were no teachers, only chairman sir and correspondent man, and we all friends. Until morning we were watching movies, and we girls slept only at above 4 or 5 o'clock. And when we got up, we said no thumb.
because the whole night chairman sir is usually very strict about talking in English in the campus, but that night he actually let us talk in Tamil. He was like, talk however you want. But then in the morning when we woke up and we were leaving school, he exactly said this line. We were all moving out of school in line, and he said, "No, after listening to all your Tamil, my ears started bleeding." And I will never forget that, because until I reached auto, I was still laughing because it was so funny. And I personally have never seen a chairman being so close with their school students, and we are really blessed to have you.
Hi sir, advance happy birthday. I think you remember me, and for others who don't know me, I studied 6th to 10th in Jesus School for Excellence. And sir, right now I'm studying in UCR Tirunelveli Veterinary College first year. Actually, I have a lot of memories with sir. To tell those, this video is just not enough. But I'll tell just 2-3 of my memories that they are my favorite memories. And first in 6th grade, actually I was so shy that I didn't speak much with my own friends. But sir, one day he came and told my friends to make me speak. But after that, they made me speak a lot, that I became a lot talkative among my friends. And then the first time we had our annual day, me and 3 of my friends were in comparing, and that time he gave us personal training, that he told us how to pronounce a word, and then he drew lines where we have to pass and then continue. Like that, a lot of things. He supported us not just on studies but also in extracurricular activities, and he actually wanted us to be more disciplined than anything. And thank you sir for that. And this thing, Wonderland. Once we went to Wonderland where sir and Shiba, both of them enjoyed with us, played with us. I can never forget that memory. And thank you sir for always supporting us, and I'm always grateful for you and Shiba ma'am. Thank you sir. And finally, இனிய பிறந்தநாள் நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள் sir. Thank you sir.